Almost 70 million Europeans struggle with reading and writing. Even more have poor numeracy and digital skills. This is why the European Commission proposes a skills guarantee to give people a second chance to learn basic skills and help people who haven't finished school. The skills guarantee will help Candice gain the qualification she needs to work in the IT sector and do her dream job. Step 1. The skills guarantee will provide Candice with an assessment of her skills to identify existing skills and upskilling needs. Step 2. Candice will receive a tailored learning offer adapted to her specific situation. Step 3. Her newly learned skills will be certified. Yuri struggles with reading and writing and has difficulties coping with changes at the workplace. Through the skills guarantee, his employer can help him improve his basic skills so that he can keep up with his job. Candice and Yuri's new skills will be recognized and improve their work prospects. The skills guarantee will support member states to help people improve their skills and have them recognized. Europe's future prosperity depends on its people. Member states, regions, local authorities, employers, trade unions, civil society, and education and training providers, all working together, are the key to give people the skills they need.